Hello all. Today we'll see about the addition, chapter 2 in IMO. Okay. So what is meant by addition? As you all know, addition means counting things together. It is called addition. Right. So in the addition part, what I am going to tell you in this video is properties of addition. Addition of two-digit numbers. Two-digit number means ones tens place. Okay, without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay, so these things we are going to see in this video. Addition means what I told you. It is a counting things together, right? So the words like total, sum, 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 add, more, in all together. So these and all, the meaning is addition only. Okay. In the Olympiad questions, you will be having these keywords. What is the number of birds in all? In sense, what is that? It is addition. Right? More, add, everything. It is a keyword for the addition. Okay. So you know the symbol for addition is what? You know, guys. The symbol for the addition is plus. It is plus. Okay, so we can read this symbol is plus. Right. Now, I can tell you 8 plus 3 equals to 11. Now, 8 plus 3 equals to 11. What is this number? 8 and 3. 8 and 3 is a addend. What is this? It is addend. Addend. And this is sum, total. This is sum. The answer which you got is this is sum or total or amount, whatever it is. Sum. This is addend. Okay. 8 plus 3 is left hand side. The numbers are there. No. It is called as addend. Right. And then you know the line, number line. You know number line. Yeah, you have to know this number line. So number line means here in the right hand side, this is, what is this? Positive numbers are going on, and in the left hand side, negative numbers will be, but you don't want this. Okay, you don't want this, but only this part only you want it. Okay, because here minus side, it is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, so once you just keep it in your mind, negative numbers also it is there. Okay, now you don't want it. Okay, so I will tell you 3 plus 1, how much it is through the number line. First, how can you do my here? From 0 to 3 first you have to move. Okay, 0 to 3 first you have to move. Then stand here. Then one jump. It is one jump. Here. So the answer is here it is 4. Okay. The number line is very essential in the mathematics. Okay. So number line you have to know. So a line with the numbers at equal places on it, it's called a number line. Addition is shown in the number line. Okay. Here I have shown it. Okay, fine. I am giving the brief idea only. Okay. Right, listen now. Then properties of addition. Properties. What are the properties? Adding 0 to any number which gives the same number. Okay, adding 0. See, listen, 0 plus anything for 4 equal to 4 only. Adding any number with a 0, the answer which is coming, the same number only here. The same number only will come. See here, 5 plus 0, which is, what is that? 5. Okay, 45 plus 0. Yes, it is 45. Yeah, 99 plus 0. Yes, it is 99. Ma'am, what is 0 plus 0? Yeah, 0 plus 0. Answer is 0 only. Yeah. What is 0 plus 0? It is 0 only. Any number from 1 to 100, you know, right? Class 1 students. So any number with adding with the 0, you will be getting the same number. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. I have given some examples here. The next one is order. Then order. Order means it is, see here, 5 plus 3 equals to 8, you know, right? And what is then 3 plus 5? What is 3 plus 5? That is also 8. Okay, if you change the order means what? The first place and second place here. First number, second number. First number and second number gives, first number is 5, second number is 3, then you are getting 8. And here the same second number I replaced here in this, 3, and then the second number is 5. The 3 plus 5 is also 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Okay, if you change the place also, see 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5. The second property of addition it is. Okay, 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Same number, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8 again. Right. So before entering into the Olympiad, guys, at least you have to know the basic ideas of addition, basic numbers, basic thing you have to know. So once you are coming into the Olympiad class, then it is better to you. It is better understanding. So you will be develop yourself. Yes. So it is over, no? So addition of two-digit number. Addition of two-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. What is with regrouping and without? Let me see. So first without regrouping. Without regrouping means, see, 53 plus 2. The question I have given, 53 plus 2. Okay. So what is that? How you do this? Ones, tens you write. Okay. So 53, 3 ones and 5 tens you can write. Then plus 2. Okay. In your school they taught you like this, right? Then you can add 3 plus 2 is what? 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 you have to bring this down. Okay. There is no carryover. There is no carryover. So this is without regrouping. Okay. So one more example. 15 plus 3. How much this is? 15 plus 3. So here again ones and tens. This is 5 ones, 1 tens, again 3 ones. So you have to add it. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 you have to bring it down. So your answer is 18. Okay, this is a normal addition without carryover. That we can call it as a without regrouping. Right? So now let me tell you what is with regrouping. In with regrouping means you have to get carryover. Carryover means what? See, listen. 35 plus, okay, 57. I am going to add 35 plus 57. Two-digit number I am adding. How to do this? See, first you can write this ones, tens, 5 ones, 3 tens. Again, 7 ones, 5 tens. I am going to add it. 5 plus 7. Okay, what is 5 plus 7? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is your answer. So what you do for this? 12 means 2 ones and 1 tens. Correct, no? This 12 in sense, the 2 it has to go for the ones place and 1 it has to carry over to the tens place. Yes. Now what you do is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So this is 92. 35 plus 57 gives 92. This is with the regrouping. With the regrouping in sense, carryover you must have. Okay. So, okay. So these are all the basic thing for the addition. Okay. If you want more information about the addition means, I have put more videos on that based of addition. Okay, you just go through it in the YouTube and the Facebook. So in like 45 minutes, 50 minutes like videos I have. So you'll be getting more sums and you'll getting cleared up all the doubts there. Okay, thank you.